Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your LookCam using the easy method. First, download the LookCam app from your phone's app store. Next, power on your LookCam device and ensure it's ready. Finally, make sure your smartphone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for optimal compatibility. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Now, navigate to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. You should see a new Wi-Fi network broadcast by your LookCam device. It often starts with IPC or LookCam. Select this network to connect directly to your camera. There's no password needed for this initial connection. Just wait a few moments for your phone to establish a direct link. With your phone connected to the camera's Wi-Fi, open the LookCam app. The app should prompt you to add a new device or automatically detect it. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your home Wi-Fi network from the list provided. Carefully enter your home Wi-Fi password to ensure a successful connection to your network. After entering your Wi-Fi details, the camera will take a moment to connect to your home network. Once connected, you can rename your LookCam to something easily recognizable, like living room camera. You are now ready to view live footage, adjust settings, and utilize all the features of your LookCam device. Enjoy your new security setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.